control of your life. Hypnosis is a powerful way to take back the control of your life. Now what happens in life is that our lives are like movies, and movies are a story. So what happens is our story consists of different scenes, and it can be at a certain time we get stuck in our story. And what hypnosis tries to do is go back with you, holding your hand, to figure out and work out which part of the story you're stuck in. And then we go back and return to that point earlier on in your life. It doesn't necessarily mean back to your childhood, so it's not necessarily related to the inner child. It could be something which happened in your pre-pubescent years, or even in the adult years. Go back to that point and we untie the knot, which is a process called denouement, to untie the knot of your story, and then you're no longer attached to that part of your story or stuck in that part of the story, and you're then able to go on to write a new story for yourself, and cast yourself in a new way in your life, and take back control of your life. So that's what a story is. And just as any good story has its characters, its setting, its plot, and its challenges, obstacles, and its conclusion, so does your life. So, I guess the question is, who do you want to be in your story? Do you want to be the protagonist or the antagonist? Take care.